In this problem, we're asked to find the many different juries that can be selected if we are picking 12 jurors from a group of 40. So the first thing I want you to remember is the combination order does not matter. And then for a permutation, order does matter. So here I use the example, if we had a juror named Anna and a juror named Miriam, and we selected Anna and then Miriam on that panel, and then let's say we did it again and we ended up with Miriam and then we selected Anna second. Well, these are the same two jurors, so the order really doesn't matter here. As long as we see they're both on there, it doesn't matter who we select first. Okay, so the order does not matter, so it is a combination. So the formula in Excel is the COMBIN, right? We have 40, and we're choosing 12. So the number of, I'm going to use commas here so I can see. That's the number of a panel of jurors that we can select. So it would be B, 5,586,853,480.